Okay, now let's see this exercise. What is the 45th term of this sequence built from interpolating 59 terms linearly between 10 and 610? What do we have in here? We're going to have the 10, we're going to have the 610, we're going to interpolate in between 59 terms. This is going to be an AP sequence, an arithmetic progression sequence, and of course, because we are interpolating those 59 terms in it, it means that they gotta be linear, right? Okay, it's redundant to say it is an AP sequence and the terms are being linear. It is the same, they are synonymous, okay? It is the same thing. Now, just do the exercise, and if we just say, okay, but I know what is interpolation, I don't know there is no need to do anything else. Well, yes, there is a need, because don't make the confusion between knowledge and wisdom, okay? What is the difference between knowledge and wisdom? Knowledge is when you know something. Wisdom is to apply that knowledge. So knowledge itself, there is no serving to you unless you have the wisdom to apply that knowledge. And that is why sometimes the students, they just look at the exercise and they say, yeah, that's very easy, I know how to do it. To know how to do it, it's simple, okay? The difficult part, it is when you have the wisdom to apply yourself that exercise, and alone, on your own, okay? So that is why take some time and do the exercise, okay? In a few minutes we are going to be back, okay? I'm going to wait. Okay, assuming you did your part, again I'm going to do mine. Now, well, it is asking, I always like to draw things, okay? It's easier because the mind has too many information in it. So whatever you can ease your mind, just do it. I bet you that your mind is going to thank you for that. That's why you have a blackboard, you have paper, you have pen, okay? So you don't have to keep everything inside your mind, and release the memory inside your mind to do other things. Okay, so this is what we have, and we are going to insert in here 59 terms, okay, in between. And what does that mean? It means that to get the 45th term, we are going to need, okay, to get this one, the 45th term, we are going to need the general equation, the general term equation, a45, a1 plus, remember, 45 minus 1 times z. We are going to need this to solve. We're going to need this. But the issue is we don't know with this one. We don't know yet d. Okay, and we know a1. a1 is 10. Okay, and this is going to be a what? Now it's the thing in here, okay? This is going to be a sub what? Now let's see. Remember, if we have 55 terms being interpolated, we are going to have 60 intervals. It's from the theory, right? Okay. When we interpolate n terms, we are going to have n plus 1 intervals. So we're going to have 60 intervals. But what we need in here is how many terms? 59, 60, 61. This is going to be a 61. Okay? Now it's good. So let's apply what we have. We have the first, we have the last, and we have how many terms in between. So let's just do it, this part. Now, let's get D. How do we get the common difference? Well, we know what is A61. We know what is A1. So this is going to be 61 minus 1 times D. Okay. Now D, it's going to be A61, which is 610, minus A1 minus 10. divided by 60. Okay, this is what? 600 divided by 60, which is 10. Now this is very important with what we have found in here. We have found our common difference. Now it's easy, right? Because once we found the common difference, we just plug our common difference in here, and we just get the 45th term. So A45, it is going to be A1, which is already 10. Just applying this equation here, plus 45 minus 1 times D, and D is now 10. Now this is going to be what? 10 plus, this is 44, right? 44 times 10, 440. So A45, it is just going to be 450. And that is our answer. It's not difficult, right? Like I said, interpolation, it's easy. It's actually, there is no formulas, okay, for interpolation. And besides, we can interpolate mentally, right? We do it day by day, okay? So that's the exercise. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to propose a new exercise, please write it down, okay, in the discussion below, so I can know another exercise, okay? Just write me, okay, and I'm just going to solve this exercise that you would like to see it, okay? And also comment, and if you like it, please, if you like it, okay, give me the like, okay? We need likes, okay, in YouTube to grow. So if you didn't like, also press that you didn't like, okay? But express yourself, okay? Let's use this channel to make math become bigger and bigger, okay? So thank you very much, and let's see you in the next exercise. We still have one more, okay, to see.